Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic cruisers on the market, the 2024 Honda Fury Chopper. If you're a fan of custom bikes and powerful performance, this one's for you. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Honda Fury stand out this year. Designed sleek and aggressive. The 2024 Honda Fury takes everything we love about its predecessors and cranks it up a notch. First off, let's talk about the design. The Fury has always been known for its sleek, chopper-inspired frame, and Honda sticks to that tradition while adding some subtle updates. The long, low profile with that extended front fork gives it an unmistakable chopper feel. The 2024 model comes with new color schemes, including a bold graphite black and orange metallic, which really highlight the bike's aggressive styling. Engine power meets smoothness. Under the hood, the 2024 Honda Fury doesn't disappoint. It's powered by the same 1312cc twin engine that's been a fan favorite for years. This engine delivers 57 horsepower and 84 lb-ft of torque, which means smooth cruising and plenty of power when you need it. Whether you're on a long highway stretch or taking it easy through city streets, the Fury offers a buttery smooth ride without sacrificing performance. Plus, the fuel injection ensures consistent power delivery, even in different weather conditions. Handling and ride quality. Handling the Fury is a breeze thanks to its low-slung design and minimalist approach. The 2024 version features updated suspension, providing better comfort without compromising its custom look. The rear shock has been tuned for improved ride quality, so you'll notice less bottoming out on bumpy roads. That extended front fork can make tight corners a bit tricky at low speeds, but once you're cruising, the Fury handles like a dream with its low center of gravity. Technology and features. When it comes to tech, the 2024 Honda Fury keeps it classic but functional. You won't find a lot of high-tech gadgets here. It's a bike designed for riders who appreciate the raw experience. However, Honda has made sure that key features like the digital speedometer, a comfortable solo seat, and LED lighting are included. The instrument cluster is clean, and you get everything you need without distractions. The Fury is about keeping the ride pure, without unnecessary bells and whistles. Customization potential. One of the best things about the Honda Fury is how customizable it is. The bike's chopper-style frame means you can easily modify it to fit your personal style. Whether you're into custom paint jobs, changing the exhaust, or upgrading the handlebars, the Fury offers a lot of freedom for personal touches. Honda has even partnered with aftermarket brands to offer a wide range of parts, so you can make this bike truly your own. Price and conclusion. The 2024 Honda Fury is a bit on the pricier side, with a starting MSRP around $13,000. However, when you consider the craftsmanship, performance, and customization potential, it's an excellent value for any rider looking for a true custom chopper experience. Whether you're a cruiser enthusiast or a seasoned biker, the Fury offers the perfect balance of power, style, and comfort. If you're thinking about adding this beauty to your garage, you won't be disappointed. Honda continues to prove that they're the masters of blending classic cruiser vibes with modern engineering. That wraps up our review of the 2024 Honda Fury Chopper. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the 2024 Fury? Are you planning to take one for a test ride? Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.